Ms. Rambi Yongsat, Mr. Harvick Dominguez, Dr. Christine Opilias, Director Anthony Balog, and Mr. Victor Mendoza, to the members of the committee or the people behind this affair, our contestants, kakailan nga taga Mountain Province, ladies and gentlemen. This affair, the search for Miss Mountain Province 2013, as in the other years, has always been one of the most exciting and awaited part of the preliminary activities of every celebration of the anniversary of this province. Now, to all and for that reason, the provincial government never wavered in its support for this activity. In fact, going beyond what is expected of it, just to make this affair a very successful one. So I believe we are all gathered tonight for a very exciting and wonderful program. We expect that the best and the most talented beauty in Mountain Province will prevail. We know the neutrality and partiality of our Board of Judges. Notwithstanding, insofar as I am concerned, all the contestants are winners. They are all Miss Mountain Province 2013. Nakita no kasano ti sakripisyuda since the first day they arrived here in Mountain Province. They came to the office and I have seen them, talk to them personally. I have seen their patience dealing with so many people and the sacrifices and coming out with their own practices. Every day, I have seen them here practicing under the sun. And so, to me, they are all winners. So, without much ado, kakailangan taga Mountain Province, let us enjoy the night. Happy 46th anniversary of our province and happy 9th Cultural and Langay Festival. God bless, Kunata